triple time step. You should have already learned the single and the double time step, and if you haven't, make sure to check out the videos here. The triple time step is just going to add one more sound to the double. So at the single time step, the timing was 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. With the double time step, we added in an extra sound, and the timing is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Or if you want to do it with two full laps, that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. The triple time step sounds like this. 8, 1 and a 2, and 3, and 4, 5 and a 6, and 7, and 8. So rather than adding the toe dig or the extra full lap like we did in the double, we're going to replace that with the shuffle. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and a 6, and 7, and 8. So it's hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stop. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stop. To the back. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Wonderful. All right, just like with the single and the double time step, you can add in some extra sounds. You can add in a pickup, or you can add in a shuffle in place of the stomp. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, stomp, brush, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Brush, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Brush, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stomp. Adding in the shuffle is 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step. Okay, now let's do 2 regular triples with the stomp. Then we're going to do 2 triples with that pickup after the stomp. And then finally, we're going to do 2 triples with the shuffle instead of the stomp. Let's do it all together. We'll start slow and then we'll speed it up a little bit later. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and a 6, and 7, and 8. Brush 1 and a 2, and 3, and 4. Brush 5 and a 6, and 7, 8, and 1 and a 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 and a 6, and 7, and 8. Good job, guys. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster, to the back. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stop. Hop, shuffle, change, full lap, step, stop. Brush. Brush. Shuffle. Shuffle. How was that? I hope it went really well for you. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble and you're struggling over the triple, you might want to go back and review the single time step as well as both versions of the double time step. Just take it slowly, and as you start feeling more and more comfortable with these steps, you'll be able to speed it up and have a lot of fun with it. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help out in whatever way I can, so leave comments below, make sure to hit the thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.